So I know I haven't really shown anyone what I'm doing up here. So today I'm going to show you what I'm actually up to. So I have the dumper here, moving loads up the back of the yard. So this part isn't the shed and all that, isn't ours or anything like that. But this here, we've been digging out and leveling out some of the yard, and I've been moving the soil and stone up the back. By up the back, I mean where the chicken house is. So as you can see here, there's the chicken house. So that's where we just were. The fence is going to come around here, up as far as this border here, the boundary, well, of where I've piled, up along there, up to the boundary of our land, and up to the chicken coop. So the idea of it is to fence it all off. I'm going to put high fences, probably like 2 meters, and chicken wire. Chickens are going to be allowed out then, and the land is going to be, I suppose, it gives them more room to forage, and with the geese and the ducks, as I get more, it gives them that little bit more breathing space between each other. But that is the plan. As well as that, where this boundary lies here, along it, kind of at an angle as well, we're gonna have a greenhouse there. And I measured it out. I can do about 3 meters wide and I can do 8 meters long. So yeah, that's pretty much the area that we have to play with up here, and what I'm going to be doing with it. And where the digger is actually planted here, and you see that raised bed, another raised bed is going to be roughly beside it there. When that pile is gone, there's going to be another one probably on the corner. If not on the corner, there's going to be 2 along here to the edge, which is just here. It'll look like a clearer picture when I have it fenced and you can see it all. But the main idea for this, like I said, is to allow the chickens out more. I might even get rabbits, because there's a bit of a niche there in farming them, and I also want to and selling, and I also want to, here somewhere in the middle where the chicken coop is, so there's the chicken coop somewhere in the middle there, I'm gonna make a bit of a shed. Now it's more so basically four legs on a roof for now. I was even thinking of putting maybe detachable sides on it, but the idea is for when I'm cutting up the deer, doing any work like that, I have a spot to do it, and I can hang them and all that. And it'll be just here 4 posts and a bit of a galvanized roof, and we'll see how it goes. But the main plan right now is getting everything level and fenced off. The raised beds are they're happening way before any sort of greenhouse and all that, and we're also going to get the animals, more chickens and ducks and geese, before that even happens as well. But yeah, I'd like to have the raised beds and all that, and it's fenced off for March, when I can start growing cabbage and all that. But that is the plan. That is where we're at. Other than that, we'll just see how we go and see what happens. No need to panic. That's kind of the story. Talk to you in the next one.